So as you can see, we got the Camaro loaded up tonight and we are headed to Clayhill Motorsports in Atwood, Tennessee. They've got a little test and tune going on over there, so we're gonna take the car out and get a little practice laps in for myself. So y'all stick around and see what we do.
Well, it's been about 2 years since I've been here to Clayhill, so let's check it out. See what it looks like. Hadn't laid my eyes on it in a while. Oh yeah. Reckon they know what they're doing? We hope so. Looks better than it's looked in a long time, y'all. Yep. It looks good. It looks good. I think it's gonna be a good track for maybe Rachel turn a lot of laps on this fall, hopefully. We'll see. We fixed to free this car up. She's like, free it up. And I'm like, yeah, we're gonna free it up.
I thought she had it there at one point. She came out firing four-wheeler one time.
I think,
good.
Yeah. But did you see how that she was scrubbing? She said it was getting in good, but actually she was turned back to the left pretty hard the whole way into the turn. I think what was happening was, it felt okay to her, but what was happening is that she was throttling up and it was pushing. It would take in transition and it would snap over on her and it would snap loose. And then that's when we would, you know how we kept seeing her bobble out? I think what was happening was it was snapping loose on her. I think if I'd loosen her up on entry, then I could get her to roll in and be a little freer and then just maintain that off.
Well, that or maybe the right rear was getting up in the marbles and tracking it and left bringing it around. It just means one.
Yeah.
But yeah, the track is the way it is. If that is the case, it still needs to be freed up.
Yeah.
Where she can trim.
I got a 25-pound block on the right front. I wanted to go ahead and let her run that. I'm gonna go up to a 40 on the right front so that on entry, it'll keep that right front down. So I'm gonna pull up 15 more pounds on that. Oh God, that's hot. Put lead next to a header, it gets hot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a 40-pound block. It's gonna be a trick to get up there.
You think I'll do that?
No, it's just heavy. God. I got it. Huh? Throw it in my hand.
Do you need this one?
Hey, look here. See that shiny metal right there?
Yeah.
You think it's possible that you would turn it hard over to the left and locking your right front up against the frame, and it was jerking you. It was jerking you. Because I mean, you were like snapping bad sometimes, every once in a while. Were you like spinning the wheel all the way over trying to catch it whenever it would like get out in front of you?
Probably. Yep.
I think maybe that might have been what we were seeing out there.
That's cool.
What do we need that?
We're gonna do what?
We should take a torch and cut it out with it.
Okay. 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 Let's go to 1 1/4 inch. We had a 3/4 inch spacer on right front. Let's go to 1 1/4 inch. That'll put us at 2 3/4 back sit. We're gonna throw it. God, that's hot. Woo! Woo! I gotta put some gloves on to handle that.
Do you need this one?
No, I don't need that. Oh! Oh! We'll see how it does now, hopefully. I didn't change. I can change shackle locations on those leaf springs. It's a little bit bigger move when I do that. She might have to have it. But we saw where she was rubbing the frame rail on the right front, which she was way oversteering the car in order to be able to do that to start with. But I put another spacer on, a little more spacer, so that it would stop that from happening even if she did oversteer the car. But I moved the weight around, hopefully, so she's not oversteering the car like she was. We got to get you into the corner in a way that, like, you know what the car's going to do, and you know how it's going to go in, and you can make it stick into that every time. Like, we're not getting that. We don't have everything put together. Y'all, it is late on this Thursday night. We all got to go to work in the morning in a couple of hours, the way this is working out. It was good. I think it was good for Rachel. Turned a lot of laps, changed a lot of stuff. Still got a long ways to go on really getting, you know, the kind of speed we need to be winning races for sure. But this is helping. Should help in the next race that Rachel runs, where, you know, we can be more competitive, start trying to pull forward on other cars. So really glad we did it. But man, the Thursday night thing, oh, it's gonna be rough in the morning. Woo! Going back to work. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.
I feel like I'm still on the track bumping around. I hope he doesn't make a blooper of that.
You need a break.
Yes, you need a break.